Hey guys, so today we're doing an unboxing. This is going to be of the Hero 8 Black from GoPro. It's the newest super duper camera from them. It's got this in the box, if you can see. It's got the camera, USB, micro SD, couple batteries, looks like a charger, a case, and then a carry handle with the floating orange piece on the bottom. And here are the features. One of the reasons I wanted this was basically this feature here, Hyper Smooth 2. So my Garmin Verb 30, Ultra 30, is a great camera. It looks amazing. The 4K is amazing. And it's got the telemetry. But Costco had this on sale. And the things I like about the GoPro is that the GoPro doesn't need a case because it's inherently waterproof. And the mounting tabs on the bottom are built into the camera, and so you don't even need a case to put it onto a mount. So it's actually built into the camera. Those fold down. So it's the inherent waterproof feature, the fact that you don't need a case to mount it, and then the fact that it has Hyper Smooth 2, which I bought a gimbal for my Ultra 30, and I've yet to be able to get it to work correctly. So, and you know, plus it's just one more thing that you have to charge and carry around. This one's waterproof to 33 feet, 4K 60, and 12 megapixels. So let's go ahead and open it. They've got these on sale at Costco. I think this was like $289 or $269 or something for all of this, which is a pretty good deal considering what you're getting. Might have to put it down and then open it with 2 hands. All right, so I had to use a hand to open the, or both hands to open that thing it comes in, package it comes in. But it has this nice little like neoprene case with a zipper on it. And there you go. When you open it up, there's your micro SD with the adapter, your manuals. Looks like your camera is encased in plastic. So there's that. You've got your USB for charging. And that's a micro, let me see. So it's a micro USB. Actually, it's the round, I don't know what this is called, USB-C maybe? It's the round kind. And then one battery. So I don't know if this would work in an older GoPro or not, because I haven't used the GoPro in so long. And then here's the second battery. And then let's see, it comes with a sticky mount for like a helmet. And then it's got crossbar piece there. This is some sort of divider, probably when you take the rest of this plastic out. And there's another mount to click into the base mount. And then there's a compartment here. This is all cardboard. Alright, so here's the carry handle. This is one of the things I like, is that it has the built-in flotation. And I'm going to be using this around the water a lot, so it's pretty basic, but it'll work, and feels pretty comfortable. It's a squishy kind of a foam on here, and then this is a hard plastic piece on the back, and then you can, you know, zip tie it around your wrist. All right, so let's take that out if we can. Here, nothing much to see, it's just your manuals and your USB adapter with the micro card. Let's see how big it is, I forget. So they're sending you 32 gig SanDisk Extreme. Actually, also Costco has a sale right now. I bought 2 micro SanDisk Extremes, or 128 for, I don't know, 30 bucks or something. So, because at 4K 60, you're gonna be filling this up extremely quickly. So you've got an advertisement for GoPro Plus, a quick start guide, something about getting support, some stickers, put those on the fridge, and last but not least, your manual. That's it, guys. Pretty excited. Here, let's see the camera since we're doing an unboxing. It's got some weight to it, that's for sure. All right, so there it is. It's It's got the red tabs are just for the plastic film protectors, but doesn't look a whole lot different from previous GoPros. It's got one button on the top. And again, I had a Hero 3 black for a long time, and I had problems with it that they couldn't solve. They were software related things. And I switched to the Garmin Ultra 30 for the telemetry and overlays, and apparently this GoPro does the same thing, which you can access in the free editing program. And then one of the cool features is this has built-in mounting tabs that just flip up, and then they'll mount onto your mount without having to use a case. So that's one of the new things I think about the Hero 8. Let's see if this is the battery compartment. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'll have to mess around with this. So I'll make a review video of this once I get it going. But I just wanted to show you guys what's in the box and let you know about the Costco deal. I ordered it from Costco.com, and they have that sale going right now. So as of July 2nd. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.